Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is reiterate. Reiterate means to say something again or repeatedly, often to emphasize a point or make it clearer. When you reiterate something, you're not just repeating it for fun. You're doing it to make sure your message is heard, understood, or remembered. It's commonly used in speeches, formal writing, meetings, and education. Synonyms: repeat, emphasize, reaffirm. Antonyms: ignore, overlook, conceal. Let's see some examples. The teacher reiterated the importance of submitting the assignment on time. Let me reiterate. Safety is our top priority. She reiterated her support for the proposal during the meeting. That was reiterate, a powerful verb used when your message needs to be heard again and again. Now it's your turn. Drop a sentence using reiterate in the comments. And if you're loving these powerful vocabulary boosters, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vocab Builder for daily English words that make your speech smarter.